Okay, thank you for checking. Oh, really? Actually, there's a lot of you asking me to make another one again. But unfortunately, I've been too busy, yeah, doing my work. So I can find free time for me to make another one. But I'm planning to make it again. But I'm not sure. I don't have any timeline for now. So if I had a free time, I will do it again. I'm just making an update for now because it's been a week since I uploaded the videos, and I don't think that if I will not do another one video upload, maybe YouTube will kick me already. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm doing this as a extra income. So thank you to those who are always been in my live streaming, to those who are always watching my upload. Thank you, and I am very appreciated that. And I really love my hair. Big win! Ding! Big win, big win. Mag-live ako habang nandito sa labas. Actually, dagat dun eh. Gusto ko sanang puntahan kaso, ang init. Ulan dito. Ah! Ulan ngayon dyan. Maganda. Maano, presko. Napreskohan ngayon dyan. Ay, ang pangit. Sinulan ang sagala. Shopee. Pakakilyo naman ni Shopee, oh. Walang maupuan. So, lakad-lakad lang ako. Oh, sayang nga yung sagala nyo. Inulan ng sagala. Oh. Nakapag-live ka na? Ay pala, no, nag-live ka na pala kagabi. Eh, kung magulan ng tuloy-tuloy yan, be, ay ding, edi ano, postpone. Kaso pagka na-organize na kasi yan, ano na eh. Hirap nang i-postpone yung ganyan eh. Ote, basa. Sana all basa. Color key. Dapat pag ganyan din ginaano, chine-check nila yung weather condition for tomorrow. Ito ako ng highlights.